no yatuni din fatty liver, stroke, heart attack, the silent connection. The air can say nipa sradie a build up a wall liver ma and our brabuma. And then through that no a yet to say fertilizer no for stroke and a heart attack. Now first no pa no na a alcohol and a day fat eba wo brabum and our liver mo. But from the 1980s no and science amaye who say nnuane yedi no I find a processed food nnuane a fem fidie no mu we need very short time to prepare. I find a processed food. It be a friend ultra processed food, especially chips and no. And no, it's me a course of fatty liver. I don't see a quite ben soon a course of fatty liver. Now I'm send me no a baby sugar be brave about medium. Now we pancreas and also no produce a lot of insulin. Insulin no and a clear glucose if you medium and now I say a bit pushy glucose no akọ muscle cells akọ liver cells but say eba say ebia nnuane wadi ache na bia wonnan so anadwo nye udidi later na o snack all the time ema insulin bibre eba omogem insulin eba omogem ebedu baby na o cells ewo liver no intimi respond to insulin no and if any insulin resistance it means you say liver cells and respond to insulin and when the or pancreas to produce more and more insulin into insulin will mojam bebrea and also ma and fat bebrea na says ready bebre eba obrebomu but suddenly ba obrebomu this in say obrebomu export to and I will push it SARS ready akọ mojam akọ intima moja femu no efene arteries no but eba say sending think it supply blood directly to your heart a friend coronary artery and in a friend carotid artery a war with team a mutu tour of course to need pedani basis sa tokunum with cholesterol any with yes definitely with cholesterol and a calcium and a blood fat and the immune cells a ben se filano say dark crack a feeling the same mechanism into a bed plug it now plug no say liver no ebe cause more inflammation e woni pedie inflammation has a yasoja e woni pedie no emu ehye because of inflammation no ebe ma plaque si ebitimi apone na kamoja pe na clot form the clot na e wo sebi coronary artery feed wo heart no directly with blood no na clot na block sa intinem na the heart attack aba se wo timu so a e wo carotid artery mu so a na edi stroke so aba we ni ekwan a e faso a e cause stroke that is fatty liver no into bo ha obenya fatty liver from fatty liver no e call liver fibrosis it means untim no wo liver no eye den etwa bebre ebam but after 7 years no that is any if fatty liver e call liver fibrosis but after some years no e call end stage of liver disease feno liver cirrhosis it means it can be brave aba wo obrabo no but before be do ho no na dodo na no any stroke before ampo nipa bitimi anya sabi liver failure no nipa na anya heart failure dada intino obi wo fatty liver bi ha no after some years no ma symptoms bi unfortunately essentially bi ama essentially I been be hu say bi omo fu ai kase omo belly aye rounded obo ana ne mposo ye ne ya na ebi I say when ya arthritic pain bi anase ne yam aye kase obo anso ne yam cramp mi ye kase or flat stomach enso na srade e wo ne liver mu and ye very dangerous no baby say ekwan ben so ene ye be fa ye be reverse fatty liver she fatty liver ubetima reverse 100%. But I say we make it changes of your lifestyle in what doing. In fact, take about 3-6 months, so make it changes. Normally, when you liver fibrosis, it take about 1 to 3 years. But no one so lose weight, about 10% of your weight. Where did you? What cut it off? Sugar beer. Now did late at night. Now started doing with your bath from cry. Maybe more fish. chicken no no ebeboa nti lean protein na di more greens that green leafy vegetables no beetroot no eboa epa afei nso no kosuase no eboa na cruciferous vegetables say broccoli no eboa epa with the fatty liver colon no eboa emane melty fat ewo liver mu na ye jai say ye didi anajo no emwa kra na ye exercise kakra nso aka ho hwe ebia utimi wo fatty liver and liver problem and say any chronic disease one call away now your life will never be the same. Share this number and be a blessing to somebody. Offer outside the UK a WhatsApp number so +44 738 464 7300. So open say obuaju media come YouTube channel also. Ukwa YouTube now for Dr. James dash natural link na subscribe now I part of the mission and part of the history na nyame so be gina so e share na share videos no me da sese ne waya so etime